Just 30 years ago, the Chinese People's Liberation Army was nothing more than an outdated military force running on obsolete Soviet technology with no real ability to compete with the great powers of the era. But in that time, they have managed to build one of the most feared arsenals on the planet. Weaponry so advanced, it has left Western analysts speechless and put the world's most powerful governments on high alert. In this report, we'll reveal the 5 most lethal weapons in China's current arsenal. By the end, you'll understand why the United States fears China so much. The vanguard of nuclear deterrence, DF-41 of ICBM, the Dongfeng 41, DF-41, is the most formidable weapon in China's nuclear arsenal. It is a solid-fueled ICBM with a range of up to 15,000 kilometers, capable of striking any point in the United States within minutes. Its lethal edge lies in MIRV technology, allowing a single missile to carry up to 10 independent nuclear warheads designed to saturate and penetrate Western missile defenses. China has also developed a doomsday train, rail-mobile variant that moves across a vast rail network, making satellite tracking nearly impossible. The Hypersonic Revolution, DF-17 and CJ-1000. The DF-17 marks the end of ballistic predictability. Upon launch, it releases a hypersonic glide vehicle, HGV, that flies at low altitudes and speeds exceeding Mach 5, performing sharp maneuvers that make interception by current systems like THAAD impossible. The destructive power is immense. The kinetic energy alone can destroy an aircraft carrier in a single strike. The Mighty Dragon J-20A stealth fighter. The J-20A Mighty Dragon is China's answer to the US F-22. By 2026, it has been equipped with domestic WS-15 engines, enabling supercruise at supersonic speeds without afterburners, reducing its thermal signature and extending its combat radius. The aircraft functions as a stealth sniper designed to target tankers and AWACS to blind and paralyze US aerial operations. The Sea Beast Type 055 destroyer. The Type 055 destroyer is classified as a cruiser by the US Navy due to its massive size and firepower. It features 112 VLS cells capable of launching the YJ-21 hypersonic carrier-killer missile. Equipped with dual-band ESA radars, it can track hundreds of targets simultaneously, serving as a floating fortress dominating vast oceanic areas. Intelligentized warfare, drone swarms, and robot wolves. In 2026, China unveiled the Atlas drone swarm system, capable of launching 96 UAVs in under 5 minutes. These drones operate with a shared brain to overwhelm and destroy enemy defenses via mass suicide strikes on the ground. The PLA has operationalized robot wolves, quadrupedal robots armed with machine guns and grenade launchers, leading infantry in dangerous urban assaults. Additionally, massive autonomous submarines, XXL UUVs, can now silently cross the Pacific to lay mines off American shores. The integration of these lethal systems has transformed the PLA from a regional force into a genuine global threat. China is no longer merely catching up. It is now leading the race in hypersonic technology and military AL, imposing a new strategic reality on the world. The new balance of power and call to action. In conclusion, military superiority is no longer just about numbers. It has become a battle of algorithms and speeds that bend the laws of physics. We are facing a new era that imposes a terrifying strategic reality, where the Chinese dragon is shifting from a regional power to a global hegemony that cannot be ignored. If you found this information as lethal as we described, don't hesitate to re-watch the video to grasp the complex technical details you might have missed. Now, share your thoughts in the comments. Which of these weapons do you think will change the face of the next war? Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be the first to watch our exciting upcoming episode. The US response, reclaiming the edge in 2027. Your support is the engine that keeps us revealing the secrets of military technology.